I tried posting YouTube shorts for 30 days straight to see how much money I could actually make. And let me tell you, the results blew my mind. Here's exactly what happened. About 2 months ago, I hopped on a call with my business partner and we were determined to crack the code on YouTube shorts. We spent hours doom scrolling, hunting for the perfect niche. We watched tons of videos, some were funny, some were cringe, but then we stumbled across these ranking style shorts. You know, those videos where people rank things like top 5 fast food burgers or worst fashion trends of all time. They were dead simple to make, and the crazy part, they were racking up millions of views for literally everyone posting them. So we decided to go all in. We created a brand new channel from scratch, brainstormed a few ideas, and uploaded our first ranking short. I was so excited to check the stats the next morning, but when I did, it was a total letdown. The video barely scraped 15,000 views. I mean, 15,000 isn't nothing, but compared to the millions we saw others getting, it felt like a flop. Honestly, I was a little discouraged, but I wasn't ready to give up. We did some research, tweaked our approach, things like better thumbnails, catchier titles, and tighter editing, and kept posting. I committed to uploading 2 shorts every single day, no matter what. The first couple of weeks were rough. Some videos did okay, hitting maybe 50,000 or 100,000 views, but nothing crazy. I was putting in hours editing, scripting, and posting, and it felt like I was shouting into the void. But I stayed consistent, posting twice a day, every day without fail, and then around day 18, something wild happened. One of our shorts, a ranking video about top 5 best Aura farming moments, absolutely exploded. I woke up to see it had hit 8 million views overnight. I couldn't believe it. I refreshed the analytics like 20 times to make sure it wasn't a glitch. From that point on, things snowballed. That viral video seemed to unlock something with the algorithm, and almost every short we posted after that started taking off. We were getting 500,000, 1 million, even 2 million views on new videos consistently. It was unreal watching the numbers climb. Now let's talk money, because that's what you're probably curious about. When we first monetized the channel, it was slow, like painfully slow. The first day we earned money, it was literally $5. I was like, is this even worth it? But we kept at it, and by week 3, things were looking way different. We were pulling in around $150 a day, sometimes more. By the end of the 30 days, the channel had made just over $5,000 in pure profit. That's not pocket change. That's legit money from a brand new channel we built from nothing. Looking back, the key was consistency and learning from those early fails. We figured out what worked: quick hooks to grab attention, clean edits to keep people watching, and picking topics people actually care about. It wasn't easy, but it was so worth it. If you're thinking about starting your own YouTube Shorts journey and want to know exactly how we did this step by step, just click the link in my bio and join the free Discord server, and inside I'll send you a free guide breaking down everything to make your first $1,000 from YouTube